Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this delicious chicken with you guys. And I'm using hard chicken for this recipe. These are the spices and the seasonings I'm using. I'm using sunflower oil and mayonnaise. This mayonnaise will just make this chicken shine when it's out of the oven. Just put it all together and I'm going to use it to massage this chicken really good. Inside, outside, even under the skin. And that is it. And I'm going to be slicing some onions as well. Just lay on the oven tray. Put some of these onions under the skin of this chicken. Just chuck it inside. Cover with foil paper, let it marinate for 1 hour in my fridge, and that is it. Now put it in the oven. Wow, that is my chicken. I flip the chicken, put some of those onions on top again, cover again, take it back to the oven. And it's out again. That is the sauce. This sauce, I'm just going to put it aside. I'm going to be using this later. I'm not throwing it away. It's so yummy, packed full of flavor. And this chicken is going back to the oven. You see that yummy marinade? I'm still going to rub it on it, spread it on. That is it. Put it in the oven and it's back. Flip it. Use my knife to just pierce in some holes so that it can take this yummy marinade. Rub the remaining of the marinade on this chicken and cover. Take it back to the oven. That is it. Stand it, take it back to the oven again. My chicken is ready. This chicken came out so delicious. My family really love it. Super yummy. Remember the sauce? That is it. So I just use my hand blender to just blend it. So we're gonna be using this on the chicken. Yummy. Yummy. This is a full meal salad. I'm going to be enjoying it with dodo and salad. And that's yummy sauce. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. Don't forget to share and like.